Monica was having a rough start to the year. She felt overwhelmed with work, she struggled with her relationships, and she had no idea how to make changes in her life. Then one day, out of desperation, she decided to try something new. She started repeating positive affirmations every morning. I am capable of great things. I am worth more than I think. Today is going to be amazing. At first, Monica didn't believe it would make a difference. But as the weeks went on, she began to feel a subtle but powerful shift in her attitude. She became more confident, she found it easier to focus, and she even started exercising regularly. Monica's friends noticed these changes too. And soon enough, they all wanted to know her secret. When she revealed that it was simply the power of positive affirmations, they thought she was crazy. But Monica was convinced that this was the key to transforming her life. And so, Monica kept repeating her affirmations every day. To her surprise, her life did indeed begin to transform. She got a promotion, she started a new business venture, and she even fell in love. Monica's success story soon spread far and wide. People from all walks of life started adopting her technique, and many were amazed by the results. Some even said it was like magic. Monica now knows that the power of positive affirmations is real, and that it can help anyone who is willing to give it a try.